Ito para naman sa mga may knowledge o graduate ng automotive courses. What is your advantage as an automotive graduate in the Bureau of Corrections? Ganito lang yan kasimple, sagutin mo ng direct to the point, walang paligoy-ligoy. As a graduate of automotive, my advantage in the Bureau of Corrections is it will allow me to contribute not only to the security operations, but also in maintaining operational vehicles and mechanical equipments. My technical skills in troubleshooting and preventive maintenance can help greatly and ensure that transport and patrol vehicles remain reliable during critical conditions and operations such as patrol, escorts, transfer, and emergency responses. Kapag ganyan ang sagot mo, sigurado ako pasok ka na sa panel interview. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-upload ako ng mas maraming sample panel interview questions, siguraduhin mo lang na mag-comment ka, i-like at i-share ang aking post at i-follow na rin ako sa aking TikTok, Facebook at YouTube account. Kupal Tots ni 124. Huwag kang kupal.
Bro, Kupal Tots! Masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap tanggap.